everybody, it's Sherry Moulton back with another video. We are going to do another Dutch pour. I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I have it taped and on my little push pins, and I've got it already flooded, which is basically just putting my paints on the canvas. That's all that means, is flooding. So I'm gonna bring it down. I just goofed up everything, used my last pair of gloves, so I'm gloveless. And I gotta make sure my sweater doesn't get in this. Bring it down. Here we go. Isn't that a pretty color? That Thalo. I want to get you all in there. It's hard because I moved you back even. Okay, so we've got you the top. We've got you the bottom, maybe. There we go. I have to figure out how to do these bigger canvases with my camera. Needs to come up higher a little bit or something. But anyways, that being said, I have half of it, well, as you can see, a corner and a corner, with my Grumbacher's Thalo blue. The rest is done in the middle with my Artist Loft Acrylic Flow white, with my mix. And we're going to do some funky colors today. We are doing Liquitex Basics Phthalocyannie green with iridescent medium. We are going to do Pebbleau Studios iridescent green yellow. We're going to do Liquitex Basics Quadricentron magenta with iridescent medium. We are going to do DecoArt Metallics Peacock pearl. We're going to throw in here Artist Loft Level 2 Violet Dioxazine with iridescent medium. And I'm going to put these two blings. They're both DecoArt Glam Dust. One is Sapphire Blue and one is Silver Bling. My thoughts are, it's probably too much paint, but because this blue, I look like a Smurf. This blue is so dark, I was trying to find something that was a little light that might blow over and it would show up a little better. So that was my thoughts. So with that, my friends, let's get at it. So let's, I don't know. I don't want this very dominant. So if you want a certain color to be show up a lot, that would be the color that you put on last. If you're wanting something that will help you out, just, you know, just give you that little bits of color throughout, then you can mix them through. So I'm going to start, because I don't want this to overtake, but I'm going to start with the green yellow, and we're going to just go like that. I just thought it'd be pretty because it would probably show up really nice into that blue. All right, let's do a purple. We're going to do the Violet Dioxazine next. With the, all of them have iridescent medium in them. I love the idea of having that little bit of glitter in it. Well, as you all know, if you're following my channel, Sherry likes a little bit of sparkle. We'll do the Glam Dust Silver Bling next. Woo! I guess that was a bit overload. I squeezed me bottle a little hard. There we go. We will do, let's do the Quadricentron magenta. I might have actually said that right. That's kind of scary. There we go. We will do the Sapphire Glam Dust. Get that in there. it is just beautiful. It gives that, oh, it looks like you put actual glitter in the paint, which is kind of cool. I don't really think I have one that has some in it. I'll have to look and see. And we're going to finish it with the metallic Peacock pearl. That is a pretty one. I can't believe I had that forever and never had it mixed up. All right, now this one I did not base coat the sides of the blue, which I highly suggest, because some of the colors are quite transparent. So even though, like with the white, it flows over, it don't much matter because it's white and the canvas is white, but this is blue and you can kind of see a little bit. So if you're seeing it, I will be fixing that up. And I'm just going to get my blow dryer. And I'm nervous and excited all at the same time. All right. Where do I start? And I'm gonna attempt, because every time I do this, I end up getting white. So I'm gonna start at the top here on this little piece. Going to stop and show you. This here is the glam dust. It is pretty sweet. All right. There's a lot of color. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can really see the glam dust in there. Got to give it a try, peeps, if you've never ever tried it before, the glam dust. I'm going to try to get in here without wearing any of this on me. And let me get up and over here. I'm pulling out my trusty. This is gorgeous here. Actually, I like that better. Look at that. That is so amazing. Let me see if I can get in here. Oh, the purple looks so, it looks brown because I laid it against that green. I'm impressed, actually. This is pretty cool. Try bring some of this down in here a little more. Oh, see, story of my life. That is cool. I am impressed. Let me just do a little, some little bit of torching. Some color in here I know for a fact. I just want to break up this. I don't mind some of the solids, but I don't know, I've said it before, I quite enjoy some of the cells when it's just a solid colors there. I'm so disappointed that purple went brown, but I'm impressed. Again, I said it again, sorry guys. Let us see. I can't get in there. I want to blow in the corner, but I can't get in there without wearing it. Okay, I'm going to bring it down just so I can get into that corner. That blue just look, well, it's white. I guess the white mixing in with the blue. Anyways, I think I'm going to leave it because I'm actually impressed. Bring it in so you can see. Oh my goodness, Sherry. I'm coated in paint again. Story of my life. Okay, I'm going to just wash this blue. Like I said, I look literally look like a Smurf. I'm gonna dry them off and I'll bring you down for a quick close-up. Yeah, this one's quite vibrant. Oh, I want to see if I can get, I can never leave enough alone sometimes, eh? Let me just see if I can break up that little purple. Should have left it alone, Sherry. Let's just... I'm going to try and blow the white back. Actually, that's kind of cool. Okay, I'm leaving it. Promise. I will try and bring you down. I'm going to tilt you forward so I can get you, because it seems like you're on the other side of the room. Whoop, sorry guys. I just don't want to lose. I have a little... You seen that, didn't you? I have a little screw that just popped out and landed in the painting, but in a good spot. There we go, guys. Sorry. Like, look, this is very cool. That's what I was trying to do with this, is to see, and it actually did. See, that's pretty cool. And again, that's that, it'll show up when it's dried. Amazing. It looks just like you put glitter in it. Very cool. The cells that went here is just amazing. Smurf. That's blue. I love the blue. I'm in love with this blue. So, pretty sweet. Well, there we go. Kind of like this. It gives that little bit of a, it's not just completely white. So, well, anyways, there you go. My big 20 by 20. Hope you are all going to have an amazing day. If you have not yet subscribed, please do. Hit the thumbs up, hit the bell, get notifications, and yeah, tell your friends all about it. Have a wonderful day. Love you guys. Bye.